All right, so we're going to go over how to clean a milk cooler today. So as you can see, this milk cooler is pretty empty. So this would be the afternoon before our milk delivery. So it's pretty empty and easy to maintain. All right. So we start obviously by taking the milk out of the cooler. We stack it up. And then we start by taking the rails out, and they're pretty easy to take out. Yep. And the bottom grates too. We're gonna wash it all up. All right. So as you can see now, so what we have in the bottom of our cooler, and it's recommended that you not put the plastic bags in it any longer because it stops the flow of air by the wall. And as you can see, it interferes with the condensing unit. So no more bags. So what we've used is 4 pieces of parchment paper. And if you clean your milk cooler weekly, you can see that there is very, very little mess. Perfect. And again, you can see this very, very little mess at all. The paper works fine. There's no need to put any plastic bags underneath there. It works great. Okay. Yep, and Maria has a bag of sanitary water and a couple of napkins. A couple of towels that she uses to clean the bottom. You can see she just wipes it down. Yep. Yep. You want to get in the rails so I can show them. You wipe the bottom down, make it nice and clean, and then you skip to the rails so you can see how the inside. So if you peel that down, you can see how she's getting in there and getting it all clean. You can see there's no buildup of any mold or bacteria on there. So it looks pretty good. Yep, you want to get under there, get it clean. Yep, perfect. Yep. Good. And then the other spots that you kind of want to hit are here on the door frame, because again, this is where water gets in and moisture from opening and closing, and you want to make sure you get in and underneath. Yep, Maria's going to clean that all out. You peel it back and you clean it up. See how nice it cleans just from sanitary water. Doesn't take much. Yep, if you are committed to cleaning your milk cooler once a week, it makes cleaning much easier. It goes very, very smoothly and very fast. Yep, and then there are a couple of other rails here. You can see your side rail, and you want to do the same thing around the edges. Yep, make sure it's all nice and cleaned. Yep, get into grooves. You don't need anything special. Nope, just a towel and sanitary water. Yep, good. And then if you want to skip to putting the paper in, I'm good. Then I'm done. All right, and then when Maria's all done and she's cleaned up the milk cooler, she just goes ahead and lays all of her paper down, nice and neat. Yep. 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 Good. And then you wipe down your rails, and then you put those back in, and pretty quick. Just sanitary water. If you clean them every week, like we're trying to tell you, it doesn't take much to get them nice and clean, effortlessly. Yep, it's good stuff. Great job. Woohoo! Almost done. See that? Pretty quick process. All right. Good deal. Goes right back in again. Nice and smooth. All right. Milk goes back in. Thermometer. Yep. Whoop. Perfect. Awesome. Now it's all ready for your milk guy the next morning to come in and load the milk in. Fantastic. Thanks, Maria.